Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening Task Manager so you can restart it cleanly. Use Ctrl+Shift+S for a direct launch, or right-click the taskbar and choose Task Manager. This is faster when the Start menu is slow. If you plan to end and restart its process, make sure you're signed in as an administrator or can enter credentials. Once open, glance at running apps and background processes and close non-essential programs, so you avoid accidentally terminating something important. Now you will stop the Task Manager process and start it again to clear glitches. In the Processes or Details tab, locate Tasker. EXE, or if the UI is frozen, consider restarting Explorer. EXE instead. Right-click the process and select End Task. If multiple child processes exist, choose End Process Tree. Once ended, use File, Run New Task, type Tasker. EXE and check Create this task with administrative privileges if needed. This restarts the UI and clears transient faults. Finish by confirming Task Manager is responsive and showing current processes. This proves the restart worked. If it refuses to open, restart Explorer. EXE the same way, or sign out and sign back in to refresh your session. Make sure to scan for malware and check Event Viewer for repeated errors if the problem persists. These point to deeper issues. If nothing helps, reboot the PC. A full restart resolves locked services and clears stuck drivers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.